Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Bitcoin pumped, Ethereum pumped, Dogecoin pumped, MCRT moving up massive. Mary won the $5,000 yesterday for the Save Deforestation competition, and also the community's rallied behind her and raising money for her brain tumor. She needs, after the $5,000, she needs $25,000 more. And many people are donating already, which is beautiful. I'm going to show you at the end. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. Now, we're going to technicals. Bitcoin having a huge rally yesterday, and I warned people about it. I've been saying, like, get ready, breakout coming, get ready. This is in the longer term time frame. You can see Bitcoin in the previous 2021 all-time high, and it looks like the resistance here will be at 88k. Volume still rising. Weekly volume last week quite strong. Stochastic still heading up, still green. Bitcoin indicator bot, which fired a crypto guru bot, which fired a buy on Bitcoin back on February 2023, still a blue buy now. On the daily, volume increasing, second to third wave and third to fourth corrective wave finish, fourth to fifth wave in effect, volume increasing, stochastic heading up. Already passed through the second resistance, so it's making a W formation, already broke out of this symmetrical triangle that I was talking about the last week. Let me see if I can grab it. This symmetrical triangle here, the way they work, it exactly played out as I said yesterday. Builds pressure, breaks out 70% of the move, 70%, which was there, and it broke out exactly as we said. Now we should get a little bit of a retest, and then let's see if we push through. On the 4 hourly, big volume coming in, stochastic heading green. Large W formation on the 4 hourly charts. It already broke out, and now it's slightly bull flagging as well on the shorter term time frame. It already broke out. Let's go on the hourly, and you can see now it's making a bull flag. Pole and flag on the hourly. And it already broke out as I predicted. We were at 66k a few days ago. Hopefully you took the longs with me. Where I would go long on Bitcoin is I would take it from major area of support here on a pullback. Usually you get a little bit of a retest after a breakout. This is what I would take the trade and take profit at the target, which is 83k, 88k the major resistance, and 115k my overall target. You need to watch my what's going to happen to Bitcoin on the halving video to understand what I think can happen over, because the halving, last time after the halving, the last two times it took 518 days for Bitcoin to reach its all-time high. 518 days, you can see it here. Every time Bitcoin had the halving, after the halving, it was, so you can see these yellow lines are the halvings in the all Bitcoin's history. You can see here, after the 2016 halving, it took exactly 518 days for Bitcoin to go from a market cap of 10 billion to a market cap of 330 billion, which was $20,000 per Bitcoin. Then after the halving, you can see the next halving happened in 2020. It took from Bitcoin halving to reach the top 560 days for Bitcoin after that halving. And now this halving is taking place right now. If we measured it out, 546 days, the top of the market will be September 2025. And if it moves that 280% like it did on Bitcoin the last time, it will take us to 5.4 trillion or $250,000 per Bitcoin. But anyway, that's the longer term setup. That's what I think is going to happen after the halving, what happened before. This is short term where I'll take the trade. Opening trade, 70,371. Stop loss, I can make it tight just under the support, 69,880, and take profit 88k, 115k, risk to reward 92 times, risking $491 to make $45,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage. With 10x leverage, that will be $456,000 profit on Bitcoin. That trade will open at 70,371. Over on Bybit, if you want to trade like you're going to see me do, under the video, go down below. One is the exchanges I use. This is the order. Bybit is the best in my opinion. $30,000 bonus if you use that link and meet their trading requirements. 2, take the courses. The Crypto Master course, you get the Crypto Guru bot and you learn deep technical analysis. Make sure you've taken all the courses before you spend any money on trading. And then join us in the Telegram. And you can see here, This is on my Twitter. I've got 84,600 followers and changing lives together. Congratulations, Mary, with winning 5,000 USD. Marilyn is diagnosed with a severe condition and requires additional $25,000 aside from the 5K to get her the brain surgery. If just 30% of all my followers donated $1, it would save her life. Do it now. Help her with how much you can. This is her Solana address, her BNB address, BEP20, her USDT TRC20 address, and her USDT ERC20 address. If you've made money from me from crypto, thanks, James, for your unconditional support. My drawing took 9 hours of work with my family who supports me. Guys, thanks to those who donate. $1 makes a difference, save a life, and I will be grateful for my life. My team already verified her identity. Good job, James. We need more people to do their part. Thank you. And many people are donating more than $1 cent. Thank you, Ralph. James, great human, just donated. Bitcoin Chris, thank you. And you can see many people donating. We'll send her $20. Thank you, Isaiah. Congratulations, Merrily. Hope you will get all you want and recover soon. Appreciate generosity. And you can just see many people. Job well done, James. Congratulations. Sending $1. Thank you. Also, Magicraft finalizing a huge partnership with one of the biggest Web2 companies in the world. This is big news and we can't wait to share more. Can you guess what company Magicraft partnered with? Binance, Magicraft said better, but Bethesda, much bigger. Riot Games, much bigger. Epic, and many people commenting on what they think it is, and MCRT reacting massively. Ethereum, also huge move up on Ethereum yesterday. Look at this, breaking out of this rising wedge that I talked about for a while, bouncing perfectly off that support, activating our trade and bouncing up already massively in profits. And you can see Ethereum just getting ready. If this plays out, if this trade plays out, the target of this is 4,334. I'll do quickly a checkup on Ethereum. That was my trade on the 21st of March when I said $550,000 on Bitcoin and Ethereum trades. MCRT was leading yesterday. MCRT up 7%, Ethereum 6.8%, IOTA 5%, Tesla 4.9%. Remember when I bought Tesla, which is beautiful, and Tesla's the only tech stock going strong green when the rest. Ton is moving up. Ton now $6. Remember when we were buying it at $1 something or less? Huge partnership announcement coming for MCRT. Follow that, everyone. It's a very big announcement. I can't wait for you to see. There's a $1,000 rewards campaign for MCRT, and that's what's happening. Thank you all for helping Mary over on Bybit. My Bitcoin trade, $32,000 in the profits. Ethereum trade, $28,000 in the profits. My funding fee, 0.017, up 3%. This account, 844,000. Remember, yesterday it was 740,000. So I made $100,000 yesterday, or the last few days. From 3 days ago, it was 749,000, then 770, then 771, now 800, then 803, then 844 in the last 30 days. And remember, I took out $100,000 to seed invest some companies. So that means my account just hit a new all-time high, which is beautiful. These are my Bitcoin trade. Funding fee on Bitcoin still quite low, which is amazing. Over in here, I've got USDT 154,000, Ethereum 112,000, up 7%. Well, remember how I closed 50% of that Ethereum? That was not a good idea. A Bitcoin up 3%, Dogecoin 95 up 2%, Pocket 73K, about even. MCRT up 8%, WorldCoin up 1.5%. My trades came down and activated on WorldCoin. Uniswap up 2%, which is beautiful. But I closed that 50%. I had another 50% and had another $100,000 of Ethereum. I closed it in to get more cash into the account, which wasn't actually necessary. I didn't get enough of a pullback to try and activate more trades anyway. But let's see if there's a nuke. Ethereum 3.6. I actually closed that on that local low, so it wasn't worth it to close that Ethereum there. I closed the Ethereum around here somewhere, and it came down to here, but I had another 100,000. But it's okay. I needed more cash in the account. But this is what I'm seeing on Ethereum, by the way. Massive cup and handle forming on the daily charts. Huge. I would say it would be from here, cup and handle on Ethereum. Actually, it would be from here if you measure it out properly. And if that plays out, the target for Ethereum is $8,000 per Ethereum, which will be incredible. That's my updates, everyone. Again, the link's all underneath the video, and go to my Twitter to help Mary. Anyone, if you can contribute whatever you can, it will be amazing to help her for her brain surgery, and I will pay the rest of the surgery, the rest of the $30,000 that we do not raise. Now she needs $25,000 more after the $5,000 competition. Thank you all, love you all. Amazing job, community. Amazing helping Mary out again. you can go onto my Twitter. Everyone donate whatever you can. If you've made money from me, if you've made money from my trades, help Mary out. Help her beat her brain tumor, and let's, as a community, save a life. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.